Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.
Welcome back to the Sicilian Wandering Series and part 2 of our Taormina vlog. We just got off the cable car and now are headed to the most popular beach in Taormina.
Look at this. Here. It's cold, but it's on the Messina cold. Vieni con me. Vieni con me. It's refreshing, eh? Yeah, I like it. Okay. I don't know what that all is there. I don't think we're going to be going on. We're not going more stairs right now.
I want to see what it is.
Oh boy. I'll get my drone to do that. Look at this. Beautiful clear water. English too. Water shoes. Per favore, water shoes is really important here. Very rocky, not that much sand, so definitely highly recommend water shoes.
Since the beach was rocky, we decided to go to a Lido. We got 2 chairs and umbrella for a really great price, 20 euros, but those are non-summer prices.
Good beach day here in Taormina. Beautiful beach. Delicious beer. Or $7 for a beer, which is pretty worth it for a beach club. But really enjoying our time here. And it's definitely no Capri, man.
Met some great people at the beach club, some from Catania and some from Germany, and what a compliment when you genuinely care and help someone out and they start calling you mama. She was a tad drunk and I kept telling her to drink water, so she felt my nurturing energy. What a blessing. Law of one, unity consciousness in action.
Yes. Bye, Mama. Bye, everyone. We're coming to Hamburg. We're coming to Hamburg. Yes. I need to drink. I need to drink in Hamburg. Yes. Love that.
Drink some water up. Yeah, I have.
Going up is not fun after you're drinking. Definitely not fun.
Definitely not
All
fun.
these stairs. But we made it. Still beautiful to be on this beach at Isola Bella in Taormina. Just got a snack here. Got an arancini and a beer. Super amazing prices as well. Not ripping you off. And of course, look at that. Va bene qui su YouTube? Va bene qui? Okay, it's good. Hey, you speak English? Every Italian a little bit, pero è molto, molto, molto. No, it's good, it's good. Exactly, yes. Love it, love it.
Coming in hot.
We're almost done the night here. We got an arancini, like I said, with a birra, moretti. Let's try this. Oh my God.
And he warmed it up for us.
Wow.
Everything is oh my God for you.
Like I said, when you fill it up, you fill it up, bro. Salud. Oh, good. It's Aperol Spritz time here. I will survive. Oh man, I might get axed on YouTube on this. Oh. Public service announcement. It's 6:30 on a May evening, and we wanted to take the 7:45 bus to Gespaccio. There's no room. 8:45, no room. There's one at 9:45, but that's a bit too late. So I can't even imagine this summer how busy it is to go back to Catania. So FYI, if you want to come back to Catania, buy your tickets in advance or wherever you're going.
Definitely gonna want to buy your tickets in advance
Yeah.
because it's absolutely gorgeous here.
Yeah, we definitely, it's a place to be. Definitely more than one afternoon, one evening. So we approve. Definitely better than Capri. So we'll be back. We'll be back.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh,
See it.
don't forget to like and subscribe to High by Travel. We out. Peace. Be kind, spread love. Be kind, spread love.